What up everybody, it's your girl Minimus with another video planned for you guys this week. I do apologize if this video comes across as a little bit rushed, as I do have quite a busy day planned for, well, you know, today, pretty much. So that's just enough jabbering from my part, so I'm just going to jump straight into the eye makeup. Just going straight in with the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White. I'm just going to apply that all over my lids. Once that's done, just jumping into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm just going to jump straight into Eden, which was this first transition shade that I always go for. And I'm just going to apply that into the crease of my eyes. Then just quickly jumping into Amber, which was this shade here. I'm just going to apply that again into my crease, just a little bit more controlled than Eden. Once that is done, going in with Blazing, I'm just going to apply that into my crease. I'm not worried particularly if I go over where Amber finished, because it is orange, therefore it's kind of balances out. Just going into Saffron and just applying that into the outer half of my crease in a very controlled area. Then just in an extremely controlled area, I'm just going to go in with Oud or Odd. Again, I like to think it's called Oud for all my Doctor Who fans out there. I'm just going to apply that into the outer corner of my eye, in a very controlled area as well. Again, just going back in with the NYX eyeshadow base and just a precision brush, I'm just going to carve out my lid with that. Then when you finish that, just grabbing a flat application brush, I'm just going to jump into Royal in the Desert Dusk palette, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to apply that where we just whited out on the lid. Then when you finish that, just jumping straight into Twilight, which is this shade here. I'm just going to place that over the top of where we just applied Royal. Once that's done, again going in with the precision brush, I'm just going to grab an Angelic, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to use that as an inner corner highlight. Once that's done, jumping straight into eyeliner, just grabbing the Made You Look Night Owl Precision Eyeliner in the shade Haunted, and I'm just going to do just a basic line slash wing. For now it's just going to be a line. Then just jumping in with some lashes, I'm just going to pop some mascara on and then go in with the Jade Lashes by Huda Beauty. Just while I'm waiting for the lash glue to get tacky, I'm just going to put on my face. So contour, I'm just going to jump in with the BH Studio Pro Cream Contour Palette. And I'm just going to grab this one to contour my cheeks, my jawline and my nose as well. Once that's done, just going in with blush, which is the shade here, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Then just jumping in with highlighter, which I'm going to be grabbing the Sleek Makeup Cosmetics highlighting palette, and just going in between these two shades here. I'm just going to apply that to everywhere I usually highlight. Then just going in with a nude lippy and a pink gloss over the top. And there you have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below and to give this video a thumbs up. I love you all so much, and this is Minimal16 out. Bye guys.